I know y'all see the title. I can't take it no more. I've been natural for 9 years. I believe 8 or 9 years. Since 2016. So 9 years. It's given me a wonderful journey, I'm not gonna lie. But in the past few years, the way life is hitting me, I just don't have the time to sit down and take care of my hair, nor do I want to be honest. The main thing is, y'all saw the video before this. Your girl's about to become a mother, first time mother. I just can't see myself having to do my hair, really having to take care and do my hair. This past year, I think has been the roughest when it comes to my hair journey. Ever since birth control. Getting off of it, it's kind of messing with my hair. Even getting on it, I noticed the change in my hair. It was been dry, it's been crazy. It's been getting thicker, but like crazy thick to where I can't really manage it. And just knowing I'm going to have to deal with, you know, being a mother, my kid, my hair is going to be the last thing I'm thinking about, to be honest, okay? So I'm like, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and texturize it. When I was growing my hair out, I was like, okay, let's just do texturizers. Get away from relaxers. And I did texturizers like ever so often. And that helped with my hair growing. And then I was able to just big chop. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and texturize it. And hopefully I still have a little bit of my curl pattern, just a little looser. And if I need to big chop again, I'll just big chop again. But for now, it's for the birds. Especially like, do y'all see my roots? They are super thick. Now I do have this color that's still left in it, so that's what I'm kind of scared of. It's been a year since I actually colored my hair though. That's what I'm kind of terrified of and kind of been doing my research on. I just need some help. And my hair is already experiencing breakage and dryness because y'all, that first trimester, I'm sure I told y'all in that other video, it wore me out to the point where I couldn't do anything. Like doing my hair was a chore. I could cry. I could literally cry when it came to the time to do my hair. I would try to stretch it out 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and it just wasn't working for me. I'm like, you know what? Let me just try a texturizer, and if I like it, perfect. If not, just bite the bullet. Like, at the end of the day, it's my hair. At the end of the day, it'll grow back. Will I be upset? Probably, if it starts breaking off. But I big chop before. I'll big chop again. It's just having to find styles, having to find products with ever-changing hair is just crazy. Not crazy, but just too much time consuming. Just time consuming. And I just feel like I won't have the time in this next at least year or so, or even have the drive to want to do it. You know, I'm already struggling and don't want to do it. Your girl is about to go ahead and texturize it. I'm terrified of my ends because that's what's been getting the most of me, because I've been putting in a ponytail in a bun, throwing it up, or doing my twist, and the twists don't work for me. I don't like it. I tried to do mini twists. Those work out for like the first week, 2 weeks. I don't know how people are making it last for 3 months and stuff, but I can't. My hair is too frizzy, and I'm sure it's like the dryness and everything. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna just try this out, and if I like it, perfect. If it works, perfect. If not, I'll do what I have to do. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually using 2 boxes of Just For Me texturizer softener. It comes with instructions, of course, a wooden spoon, and gloves in each box. You should also receive the texture softener, sunflower oil formula, liquid activator, neutralizing shampoo, and silkening conditioner. So if it does not have that, turn around, return it. And also check to make sure the expiration date is straight, like it's not expired. Please do that, y'all. They do have an expiration date on the outside of the box, so please check that before you purchase. So let's get started. First, we have to protect these edges and overall scalp. So I'm starting off with 4 parts and putting Vaseline all over the perimeter of my parts and edges to prevent burning. Next, we have sunflower oil, in which you use half to put all over your hair and the other half will mix with the texturizer later. Now this is supposed to be helpful for anti-breakage and damage control. And also on that bottle, halfway it shows you the halfway point in which you need to put in your hair, and the other half that you'll put in the texturizer. So for me, I did use a full bottle since I had two. I used one bottle for all over my hair, make sure it's all good moisturized and all up in there, and then I used the other bottle to put half in one of the bottles, texturized bottles that I would be using, and the other half in the other one. Now I still wanted to keep my curls or waves, just tame it. So according to the instructions, y'all please read those instructions. Like, don't take nobody else's word for it. Read the instructions, please. Don't be going over there and burning off all your hair. So according to the instructions, it says for fine hair to start with 11 minutes. Now that's from the start of application to the end. So because of that and how thick my hair is, I did half of my head first and then rinsed it out and did the second half afterwards. But I also wanted to say, if you see the curls leaving too much, like to your liking, like just rinse it out. Like, you don't have to wait the whole 11 minutes, or it may be a little bit longer than 11 minutes. It just depends on how you want your hair to turn out. You can literally see it when it's beginning to straighten out. So when I did the front parts of my hair, I felt like I should have rinsed it out earlier than the 11 minutes versus the back of my hair, which I was like, okay, 11 minutes is perfect. And because my hair is more in a weakened state at the ends, I did wait to put the texturizer on my ends after I finished the entire section, so it wouldn't be processing too long. So I start with, as you can see, the roots, and then I eventually get to the ends. Two things I will say that I feel like I should have done is, number one, do the whole left side first and then the right versus top and then back. Because with the parting, as you can see, I have a little texturizer still sitting in the back because I didn't want to wash my non-processed section yet. And number two, that also would have helped me with the timing, because the right side was always longer and wavy versus curly and thick, and the other side was always more curly and thicker. So that would have helped me better with knowing when to rinse out the texturizer. Like, my left side did well with 11 minutes, but the right side, I could have taken it out sooner. So these are the ending results. I'm not mad at it, but I do see the ends needing to be trimmed, and the front part of my hair will definitely need a lot of love. But I am happy that my curls didn't leave completely. I have more manageable waves in which I'll more than likely be blow drying and straightening anyways, so that my styles will last longer when I give birth and everything. It's 2 days later since I did my hair. Sorry about this. I had to put Vaseline on it, y'all. It's freezing outside. I can't. This says give it 48 hours and then you can go ahead and shampoo and condition. So I was just like, let me just let it air dry and then wait my 48 hours and then shampoo and condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Shea Moisture Bar Repair shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and oh, y'all can tell I'm pregnant. I'm just out of breath all the time. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna see how my hair is looking after that with the waves, if they have any waves. Like, you can still see my curls a little bit in the back. It's just this part I'm worried about, but mainly this whole side, because I should have took note that this side has always been less curly, more of a wave but longer. Even when I cut it all off, it was the same. And then this side has always been just bouncy curls. So I have two different textures on two different sides of my head. So we'll see what that looks like after I finish shampoo, conditioning, and styling. All right, guys, so I am done. I just actually finished styling it, which isn't really styling it. I just did like I normally do with my wash and goes. and I'm anxious but nervous and scared to see how it's gonna dry. I'm wondering if I should go ahead and blow dry myself with my blow dryer, like diffuse it. But I don't know. We're gonna see. So far. So I need to trim this side. This side I trimmed a little bit already. I just need to probably get the back trimmed. I don't know. But I know this side I definitely need to trim. This side actually is looking okay. But I'm ready to see how it's gonna dry. Like I said, I'm a little scared, I'm a little nervous, but I am so excited to see that my waves are still there. It's not completely straight, which is what I wanted. I just needed to loosen up my curl a little bit. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah, so we will see. I might add a little video in here later showing y'all how it dried, but I think I'm gonna air dry it first. If it doesn't do what I need it to do, then I'll probably go ahead and next time I wash it, I'll probably put in some braids, and next time I wash it, go ahead and diffuse it and see how it's looking. But I love the fact that my curls didn't leave, because y'all was scared. I thought this side was gonna be bone straight and this side was gonna be wavy, but it's giving, baby. I feel like I can manage it now. Like when I was washing my hair and I felt my scalp, whew, y'all, I needed that. I needed that because it made everything so quick. And that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted my wash to go quick and moisturizing. And when I go and style it, I can style it the same like I did in natural hair. This is what the texturizer is looking like. And I'm so excited because I can deal with this with a child now. I can deal with this with the baby. I'm just so happy. We'll give it a few weeks because I don't plan on texturizing it at all anymore. I wanted to just texturize it to get it down and grow it out basically. So hopefully it stays like this. If not, I might put another texturizer in, but it's not gonna be like often. It'll probably be in the next 6 months or probably a year, to be honest. But yes, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will catch you guys back later with more updates on this pregnancy journey. All right, so talk to you later, bye.